Hi, tomorrow at 10 a.m. a court in Frankfurt, Germany will decide on Twitter's content moderation. It will decide whether Twitter has actually abided by European law or practically muddled through without serious consequences and with its own set of rules. Rules that were written in community standards in the past or based on decisions of a Trust and Safety Council, which was dissolved just today, or rules that mostly depend on Elon Musk's personal preferences. Officially, there is no question that Twitter must abide by German law or any law in the world. He himself made a statement on November 25th when he said, "Twitter must abide by the laws of each country or get shut down." Well, that's just a tweet. Reality is somewhat different. Everybody who has reported an illegal content knows the procedure. You receive a confirmation about your report, and shortly after the result of Twitter's thorough legal analysis, it usually comes to the conclusion, no violation of law. Twitter does not apply statutory law, be it German or European law. This is the easy part for the court, as it was obvious that the moderation decisions were in violation of law. They actually looked like they came from algorithms, especially when it comes to libel and slander. There is no way you can examine if something is true or not true with an algorithm, because you have to take into account more information that's not inside of that tweet. The more exciting question, however, is what are Twitter's actual obligations by law? Is it enough to just take down a certain tweet once it was reported? The case that I brought to court in Frankfurt is the first time Twitter faces a preliminary injunction to take down libel and make sure it stays down. The stay down part is the one that's the novelty. We demand that Twitter make sure that a given statement about our client in its core will not be available on Twitter in the future, notwithstanding the exact language. Anything that has the meaning that our client had committed an infidelity or searched for minors for such purposes on Twitter would be illegal and would have to be taken down by Twitter. Now, Twitter's lawyers said that they had done enough by blocking the account, and the second point was the effort necessary would be unreasonable for Twitter to filter such other content. Well, as for the first point, Mr. Elon Musk delivered the best evidence for our case just the night before the public hearing when he announced a general amnesty. And also the judges concluded that obviously banning something is obviously not permanent. As for reasonableness, we are awaiting the verdict, so we have no idea what will be coming out about this point. We do expect a clear statement by the court that Twitter had violated the law. It is possible that further takedowns could require maybe another notice for a reason of reasonability. In any case, it should be easier for everyone in the future to sue Twitter on illegal content and also to claim damages. So we are awaiting the court's judgment at 10, and we will give more information on this case here on this channel.